welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Yesterday, the 14th of August 2019, some photos of the GoPro Hero 8 Black leaked on the internet on the website photorumors.com. I thought I could share them with you and talk a little about what they show. The resolution is not very high, so there is a big loss of quality when you crop them in. Sorry for that. In the photos you can see a camera that is similar to the Hero 7 in form and dimensions, maybe to provide backwards compatibility with older accessories. There are some minor visible changes. On the front, the red LED is now smaller, only a small dot. Also, there is a new microphone grid under the camera lenses. The most exciting part about these images are the new accessories they show. There is a frame with an integrated external microphone, and two hot or cold shoes, I cannot tell, to mount an external screen and an LED light. When it comes to the external microphone, I think most of the complaining customers would prefer the ability to use a 3.5 or USB-C mic without the need for an adapter over a new proprietary accessory. Along with the photos there were some specs, where the most interesting were a new GP2 chip capable of up to 4K at 120 FPS and 1080p at 480 FPS. The photos seem legit, but when it comes to specs it is difficult to evaluate if they are true or not. What do you think? Tell me your opinion on the comments section below.